Alright, so it is Wednesday, November 8th, 2023. It's about 4:30 p.m. And here's my Goodman air conditioner running. And it is, I think the temperature is around 75 to 80 degrees outside right now. Works great. I'm not sure when I'm going to do the final startup of this thing, but I did record a startup of it last week on the 2nd, I think. Two bigger Goodmans over there. I don't know if any of them are running. Probably not. But yeah, warm weather strikes again. I remember it doing the same sort of thing last year. Anyway, thank you for watching.